Hi, my name is Abbas Idris, a sales team lead at VAR Real Estate Ghana, and I'll be giving you a progress update report for Legato Heights. Walk with me, let me show you around. Legato Heights is a development that is set to take over the cityscape of Ridge area with floors spanning over 20 floors and impeccable amenities. Let's go to Engineer Lawrence to find out what has been done on site so far since we broke ground.
Yeah, as you can see, we are at a critical stage for the earthworks.
Okay.
And earthwork, involves challenges. You have the weather, situations with weather. So we are the excavation stage, which comes with the watering and shoring as well. So all this has to be done, together in tandem.
Okay.
To be able to go through the requirements of the earthworks for the foundation of the project. So that is what we are doing now. We are currently at -2, hoping to excavate further.
Thank you. So that's what we've done so far. You care sharing what we should be expecting on the next construction updates?
Yes, by the next, you expect to see all these H-beams or these metals in position.
Okay.
The watering system is also in operation.
Okay.
Excavation going down at least about 5 more meters.
Okay.
Than where we are now. Currently, we are 2 meters below the ground level.
Okay.
We are looking at going 7.
Okay.
But your next visit, you should expect to see we going lower than where we are.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And hope to see you next month.